Hello and welcome to Learn with Hema's class. My dear students, today I am going to do a video on ICSE class 10 Total English, in which first chapter tenses and their uses part 1, the two assignment exercises, and I will be giving you the answers along with the explanation. So this is a very common topic which you are going to have it for your examination for 80 marks paper or for 40 marks paper. This is a very important question which is of almost 4 marks. So let's start. Change the verb in the bracket either to the present simple or present continuous tense. Now when you dash to Delhi, I shall see you. So the verb is come. Because it starts with an adverb, it's going to be very simple present tense. When you come to Delhi, I shall see you. Because it says it expresses something about a future fixed action. Second, the farmer always dash in his field, because always is there. Always tells us it's an habitual action. So habitual action also takes very simple present tense. That is works. Look, someone dash at the door. Now someone what? Someone dash at the door. Now someone is knocking. Why someone is knocking? Why not someone knocks at the door? Because here the action is in progress at the time of speaking. That is why we are writing it in continuous tense, present continuous tense. Because someone is speaking and at the very same time the action is also taking place. That is why it is present continuous tense. I dash at least 5 cups of tea every morning. Again, because it's every morning, that is the action is repeated. So it's a simple present tense. I take. Okay. Dash, she dash in the kitchen at present. Again, at the time of speaking, the action is still going on. Therefore, it is going to be present continuous. So, she is cooking. Okay, we dash to Mumbai next week. Now, it is a fixed future action. We know it is going to take place in future and it is fixed. Therefore, we are going to write in the continuous tense. We are going to Mumbai next week. So, it's a present continuous tense. We go to Mumbai next week cannot happen. Simple present tense, it cannot take place. Okay. Therefore, it is present continuous tense. Near the equator, the sun dash greater quantities of water. So, it's going to be evaporates. Evaporates. Why evaporates? Because it's a fact. It's a fact and therefore it's a simple present tense which is going to be used. For simple facts, we are going to use simple present tense. World energy demand dash at the rate of 3% per year. So world energy demand is increasing. Because here it is still going on. The action is still going on. It has not stopped. Therefore it is said to be a present continuous tense. At the time of speaking also it is going on. She is dash to him on the telephone. She is always talking to him on the, because it's a repeated action. Repeated action means it's a continuous tense. Okay. The Bible dash love of money is the root of all evil. Say the Bible says. Why? Because it is the, or you can say it is a fact. Okay. Now this is the first assignment is completed. Now let's come to the second assignment. Okay. Second assignment, here we are going to the question is supply the present perfect tense or the present perfect continuous tense. That is now present perfect or present perfect continuous tense we want to. And let us start. I dash all your letters. Please take them. So I, because we either have to use present perfect or present perfect continuous. So present perfect mein I have brought all your letters. Please take them. So why this is why I am going to use a simple present perfect tense and why not present perfect continuous tense? Because here it uses adverbial phrase. Okay, and it suggests the event take place up to the present. That is till present the event has taken place. Next, Abha dash your letters since morning and she is only halfway through. That is, Abha has been typing your letters since morning, because we have used the word since. Okay, so since over here it's a point in time, that is since morning, and she is only halfway through. That means the work is still going on, right? since morning, it tells us the beginning of the time and what the work is still going on. That is, it has not yet completed. Therefore, we have written present perfect continuous tense. That is, it started somewhere in the past, but it is still going on. So, it is present perfect continuous. I dash stamps ever since I joined this school. Now, ever since I joined this school, that means I started this collecting stamps in the beginning, in the past, and still this action is going on. So, therefore, it is going to be present perfect continuous. That is, I have been collecting. Okay. Now, I dash so many stamps that I do not know where to put them. Now, I have gathered. Now, the work is over. That is why present perfect. Because the stamps have already been collected and now we do not know what to do next with them. And therefore, it is present perfect. My towel is wet. Someone dash it. Now, someone has used it. The action is over. Okay. It says my towel is wet. Someone has used it. We are not saying someone has been using it. It is not still going on. The action has been completed. And therefore, present perfect. I dash all the milk. Nothing is left for you. I have used all the milk. The action is over. I have used all the milk. Nothing is left for you. Now, this thing is not going to continue in the present. It expresses a past action. So, here also it expresses past action and here also it expresses past action. The old man dash at the bus stop for an hour. Tell him that the last bus dash already. Now, here the old man has been standing at the bus stop for an hour. Why has been standing? Because he is still standing. Has been standing at the bus stop for an hour. Tell him that the last bus has gone. The action is completed. No? The last bus has gone. The action is completed. Okay. I dash since morning and I cannot go home until late in the evening. So, I have been working. Now, since morning and I cannot go home until late in the evening. That means, till I complete my work, I cannot go home. That means, the work is still going on. Therefore, it is continuous, perfect continuous tense. That is, I have been working since morning and I cannot go home until late in the evening. He dash his work and he is going home now. So, here that means the work is completed. The work has completed it has started in the present and it has been completed. Therefore, he has finished. So, it is present perfect tense. His work and he is going home now. Okay. Sheetal dash for 3 hours. Now, for is used for 3 hours and soon she will have to stop. That means the work started somewhere in the past and it is still going on. So, it is definitely going to be present perfect continuous. That is, Sheetal has been writing for 3 hours and soon she will have to stop. So, here I have completed these 2 assignments of the first chapter from ICSE Grade 10 Total English Morningstar publication. I will soon come up with new chapters and the test papers also of both grade 9th and grade 10th of Total English. So, that's all for tonight. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Thank you.